Hi friends, today we are going to see how to calculate attendance for a group of students based on their department. I am having set of names from Harish Kumar to Nagendran S. They belong to various departments. For example, the department is mentioned. You have to mention the department nearby. Mech, WEC, Civil. I'm just marking different branches. So here you can see there are 19 students which belong to 4 various departments. I'm just having this master database. I will have the attendance like this from any outdoor any kind of software you are using it. You will receive like this. You have to sort out like this. So their name is received from others of any kind of softwares used for getting attendance, as they are not displaying the department. Now we are going to segregate based on their department. We can able to view and segregate the attendance as per the department of students. The only thing in this the particular day, as we can assume 15 9 2020. So I'm just creating a formula equal to COUNTIF. I'm selecting the range. The range is as per the details received from software. We can able to select the number of absentees alone. So there are 2 absentees from A1 to A2 alone. So I'm just selecting those 2 cells. COUNTIF sheet 3 A1 to A2. The condition is if they are equal to, it is the A1 and A2 are constant. I'm just adding the dollar symbol in order to make the cell as constant, so it cannot vary when you drag it. Sheet 2, the name. Now just I'm clicking the enter. If he is absent for the class, then it will show as 1. Harish Kumar is absent, so it will be indicated as 1. The same cell is equal to that cell, so it's indicated as 1. Sajin also absent, so he is also indicated as 1. For the others, all are present, so it cannot be indicated as 1. It will be indicated as 0 since they are all present for the class. This is how the formula works. I'm just adding one more add-on points with it. We can able to convert this 1 into present, absent, and 0 into present like this, equal to if open bracket C2 equal to 1, then comma double colon absent, then colon double colon, then comma, if not you will be considered as present. So double colon, so the condition says he is absent. When I just double clicking it, we can able to know who are all present and who are all absent for the particular class. And this is for today's attendance, that is 15, 9, 20, 20. If we want for every day's attendance means we can able to segregate from the data retrieved from the software. Here the name list is same. I'm just getting the data for 16, 9, 20, 20. I'm just getting the absent is for this much. The name can be shuffled. Based on the shuffled details, you can able to get the data. Others are present. Okay. Even if you are having the shuffled data means like this, if you are having the shuffled data, we can able to get into order like this. You have to select the cell, go to filter, start A to Z, expand the selection. So based on this, it will converted like this. So the name who are all absent for the class will be come at the first. So the only thing we have to create is we have to create next day's date, day 16, 9, 20, 20. I'm just copy pasting the same formula. For this formula, I have to make small corrections in order to get the detail for the next date. Here I am selecting A1 to A2 alone, but the absentees are from A1 to A7. So A1 to, instead of 2 I am just changing it as 7. For the C2, the details are between C2. I don't want to get it from C2 since it's a name. I want to get it from A2. So I'm just changing the C2 into A2. I'm just selecting enter. If he is absent for the class, it will be indicated as 1 and it will be reflected as absent. I'm just selecting those two cells and I'm double clicking it at the end. We can able to get the absentees and the presentees based on their attendance. So this is one of the simplest way you can able to generate more number of attendance if you are having some problem like this. If you are having not able to segregate the department of students, you can use this Excel sheet for working and generating the attendance. If you are getting benefited through this video, I am happy. Kindly subscribe, like, share and comment your views. Thank you.